What do you do if you're hit by somebody who is texting and driving, or somebody who is simply on their phone and driving, on social media and driving? These are cases that can be pretty fact specific. And it's something that we need to get involved sooner rather than later so we can make sure that we gather the proper evidence to really show that they were, in fact, texting and driving. For example, evidence that we need to gather is simply whether the cell phone records show that they were on the phone at the time, whether there's any video that shows that they were on the phone at the time, and whether there's anything that you can get from witnesses that show that they were on the phone at the time. Getting the evidence that we need is really important in these situations because it's going to help us make the case. Because in certain situations you can ask for not only compensatory damages but possibly punitive damages. If somebody is on their phone and totally disregarding the rights of others, that's a situation where we need to look and see, is this something where they are liable for compensatory and punitive damages? In most situations, people know that texting and driving is wrong. They're going to tell the police that they weren't doing it. They're going to certainly tell their insurance company that they weren't doing it. That's why it's so important to get us involved so we can subpoena cell phone records, so we can gather evidence, get witness statements, whatever we need to do to show that what they were doing was wrong, that they were texting and driving. Now, if you have questions about this, if you're not sure what to do because you were involved in a crash involving somebody who is texting and driving, give us a call at 414-999-0000 or go to growthlawfirm.com.